Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on May 16th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risks. So we will be going over the week ending in May 15th, 2015. This is the OTC recap. Okay, so we're going to start off with ticker symbol MRNJ. Okay, Metatron Inc. This is a stock that was sent out from a buy zone of 000629. Okay, we were talking about the weekly chart here, holding a very bullish flag pattern. Many traders don't understand what a bullish flag pattern is. This is a pattern when a stock sees a low and a high and creates almost like a flagpole. Okay, what we see here is a big flagpole and then a consolidation, or what I call a bullish inside flag pattern. Okay, the stock is in consolidation in a range, a tight range, and what you want to see is whether the stock breaks above this upper trend line here or below this trend line here. What we see here is a clear break and a close at the high of the day. Now, let's take into consideration what's going on with Mrnj. If many traders don't understand what this stock does, this is a stock that basically works on mobile applications. They have or recently posted news on a potentially release of Apple iOS 8 mobile applications that are coming or being released soon. Now, if many traders don't know what that means, a lot of these mobile apps or these applications get released on either the Google Android or the Apple iOS. Now the Apple iOS is coming out with their iWatch. Okay, if we noticed last week, we had a stock FRZT, also LFAP. These stocks released news and they rallied considerably. So we want to be in is in a stock, okay, before the news. Okay, and if you want to kind of see the setup here was at 000629 level because we knew this was consolidating in this range. If you see here, mostly all buys. Okay, I'm gonna circle the volume here. More the buying exceeds most of the selling. If you see here, okay, all this is accumulation, and you just see maybe like 2 weeks of just selling. Okay, but which was not much because if you notice, this level 0005 always held on this stock. If you go back to another stock, okay, Cgra, this was another stock that was in a bullish flag consolidation, okay, level. And if you notice this stock never really, okay, it had a big rally and then it had a bullish inside flag, then it had a little bit of consolidation, rallied again, and then what you saw was another bullish inside flag, and now it's breaking out again. So you have a very similar move here on the Cgra with the MRNJ, okay, and this is just starting out. So now what you want to see is any traders that are looking to enter this stock, what you want to see is a next consolidation here, okay, for a next bullish flag pattern. What I think is going to happen is we're probably going to likely gap up and maybe close 15 to 20 range. And what it's going to happen then is you're going to see a slight consolidation here from 12 to 15. Okay, so I want traders to kind of look at this because they actually released an updated filings after hours, and they also mentioned on their blog that they were pretty much up to date with those mobile apps, and they should be sending out news likely next week with the volume. Okay, I'm sure that they're gonna start announcing news. Okay, so this is MRNJ. What we're gonna look for next week is a potential gap up, maybe a close from 12 to 15 with a new consolidation pattern. Okay, so that's levels that we're looking at for the MRNJ. Okay, moving on to the Cgra, as mentioned. Okay, we were talking about this bullish inside flag pattern. This actually triggered again at 0.004. We saw a high of 0.009. Okay, just a beautiful 100% move. And now what we're looking for is another consolidation and a potential break of this 0.0095 level. Okay, this was a stock that we sent out buy zones 15 to 18. Okay, not too long ago. So this stock gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0.0012 for many traders. So those traders going long, just beautiful move on the Cgra. Drnk, Drnk, okay, NOHO Inc. This was a stock that we sent out with a buy zone from 0.001 to 13. It gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0009. Never closed below that 0.001 level. okay, and we held. Now the stock hit a high of 0.044, okay, 0.0044, just a beautiful move. Now what we're seeing is a potential continuation here on the Drnk. What I'm looking at on the Drnk here is this downward trend pattern, okay, or this downward trend line breaking here clearly. So what you want to see now is look for that 18 to 25 level. If you see an 18 to 25 level, okay, that could be a re-entry buy zone. What you want to see here is a stop close below 18 on 2 consecutive closes. That's what I'm looking at as the 20-day moving average. And our pivot break is going to be a break of 0.0044 on 2 consecutive closes. If it does break that 0.0044 level, watch this level here, 0.007 level to be tested. Just a great move on the Drnk. Okay, the Vdrm. Okay, this was a stock that we sent out not too long ago. It gave an entry at 0.003, hit a high of 0.0052. Now it's given that re-entry level. So if you notice here, okay, you had some buying here on these levels. So now what we want to see is this 0.003 hold and a potential break of this 0.0044 level. If it does, okay, watch this move and this potential retest of this 0.008 level. Okay, these low share structures are probably going to be the summer movers. Okay, stocks that have low share structure, I believe, will be okay the main focus on the summer slowdown. So with that said, okay, you have upside here, okay, from 0.01 to 0.015. So this is something that I want traders to keep an eye on. Okay, moving on to the Vgtl. This was another stock. It actually, broke down on us, but it did give us a support at 0.0017. Okay, we readjusted it to a stop close below 0.0017 for members. It triggered at 16. Okay, and then the stock rallied, and now what we did was we closed above pivot here on the 8-day and the 21-day moving average of 21 and 24. Okay, we closed at the high of the day at 0.0025. So now what we're looking for is that potential break of that 0.0032 level. If it does, watch that 0.004 to 6 level. Okay, like I said, these low share structure stocks will be the main focus of these summer slowdown months. Okay, the Qedn. Okay, just a beautiful move. I told traders to keep an eye on and watch the 0.001 level. It actually kissed it and triggered at 0.008 level. Okay, when the stock triggered at 0.008 level, if you see here, we hit a high of 16 for a 100% move. If anything, you guys could have pulled out 50 to 80% move on the Qedn. Again, I give levels. Okay, the objective for traders to understand is, what are we going to trade these levels? Okay, and this gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0.008. Even if you're buying the 0.008, 10, 11, and holding, that's a probability level. Now, what does that mean? If the stock closes below 0.001 on 2 consecutive closes, you're only going to lose 10, 20%. Okay, but the reward is just great, a great deal, because if you notice, every time it hits the scene or this pivot, okay, or scene of the crime at 18, it rallies and it hits highs of 0.007, 0.02, 0.04. So you got a lot of leg room here for the Qedn. And I don't know if many traders saw, but GLD and the SLV, the gold, the commodities rallied hugely this week. Okay, so we expect a continuation on the gold and the silver. So what does that mean for miners? The stocks that are at 52-week lows, keep an eye on them, because once you start seeing the trend, everybody's going to want to jump on those metal stocks and buy them now when they're hated, so then they can move, and then you look for profits. Just a beautiful move. And if you notice, the Qedn has pretty much light share structure. It doesn't have any dilution, and it should be rallying anytime soon. Okay, if you look at the BRWC, same thing. We were talking about, you buy when the stock is hated. I know trader Alex, a couple of guys in the room. If I don't mention your name, I apologize. But these guys were sticking strong on the BRWC. They held it. They bought it at 0.005, and then we saw a high of 18. Okay, you're talking about 200, 300% move from the lows. This is how you make that money. Okay, when you start buying these stocks when they're hated. Okay, when they break down, just look for that 50% retrace level, and that's when you add. Now what you want to see is you're really seeing a little bit of bullish flag consolidation pattern. Watch that 0.007 to 9 level. If you see that probability level and you want to take it, then look for it. Okay, watch. You've been seeing a lot of volume here, so I do expect for a little bit of consolidation, maybe a pressed higher. Okay, just make sure that you have your stops in. Okay, WPWR is a stock that I sent out. Wpwr. Okay, we noticed that that stock was holding at 0.0012 level. It kind of kissed that level, then it rallied, and then we saw this stock break above 0.002 with a high of 0.0023. This is a beautiful reversal here. Now what we want to see is a clear break of this 0.002 level. If you do close above it, watch that pivot 33 level. If that pivot 33 level breaks, you're talking about a move to 0.006 to 0.008. I got a potential here of 0.005 to 0.01. Remember, these are just targets that have the potential. You know, I'm not saying that these stocks are going to hit those levels. If you're getting in these levels at the lows, what you want to do is scale out of these trades. Make sure you profit on the way up. Okay, BRNW, another one, a beautiful entry here. Gave an entry at 10. We saw a high of 15 over the week. Okay, giving it a 50%, but I still think that this is a buy accumulation area here. Any traders that are buying here from 10 to 12, 10 to 13, it's a good level because at some point this stock will rally. Okay, like I said, it is a pattern trade. This is a weekly chart and a daily chart actually this is a daily chart here. So you saw a low of 11, okay, and you hit a high of 15 for a good move. So I want traders to just keep an eye on these levels. Okay, this is how you make that money in trading. Okay, next stock is the IFXY. Okay, IFXY, you see these bullish reversal candles. Each time it hits that level 12, okay, it bounces. Okay, so traders that are adding in these ranges, it takes guts, but at the same time, you're adding these levels and you're seeing the stock rally. This is what we're talking about. When you want to buy an entry and then you want to have a tight stop. Okay, we never closed below this on 2 consecutive closes, and this still is a pincher play. Okay, at some point, this stock will test at 0.005, 007, and the people that could have added at those levels, they're going to be kicking themselves in the butt when not buying. Okay, this stock is announcing a hemp facility opening soon, so we're keeping an eye on the catalyst. Sugo, just a beautiful move here, now starting a trend. If you notice, this is a beautiful uptrend here. We were talking about the 17 to 25 buy zones, and actually yesterday it hit a low of 15. So those guys that added at 15, okay, now they closed at 26 for a beautiful move. Watch that break of 0.0035. When it does, okay, watch out. The stock can move. This is a post-reverse split, and like I said, when you start seeing gold and oil and commodities start rallying, these mineral stocks, these metal stocks will catch a bid. Okay, the Cctl, this is another one. Okay, many people gave an opportunity to enter from 17 to 19, hit a high of 0.0034, and now the stock is giving that re-entry bottom again with a low of 15 now. Okay, so what we're doing is we're accumulating shares here at the bottom, and then I have a tight stop here, and that's why we give you the charts. Okay, so like I said, you know, we're gonna have plenty of setups here for the summer. We're always giving traders opportunity. We trade the levels. We don't give out alerts. Okay, our stocks sometimes take a little bit of time, but they always hold the levels that we give them. So if they do break, then we just know to stop out with a slight loss. If you want to learn more about radio silent play, okay, just send me a message here on the YouTube. Just comment. You want to know about what we do, or you want to give us a call. My phone number is on the website, radiosilentplay.com. We also do one-on-ones. I've been talking to a lot of traders here doing one-on-ones over the week. You know, call us up. Let's set something up. Let's see where you're having trouble with. You know, we can give you some type of information, education on how we can get you better. Okay. Again, we're not a financial advisor, no, not brokers, but we can give you more or less or see what you're doing wrong there. All right. I just join for the free trial, radiosilentplay.com. If you have any questions, you can email me at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. If you guys want to do a one-on-one, okay, you guys can call me, and my number is located on the website. Okay, take care, everybody, and those stay tuned for the option setups and also options updates.